Welcome back, guys. We're going to continue to learn about semantic markup. In this video, we'll learn about insert, delete, and strike through elements. So guys, sometimes we have to show changes to our content in our HTML documents. And for that, we use insert, delete, and strike through elements. Let's have a look at it. Let's say I have a paragraph, for example, I'm writing, "This was the worst road trip ever." Now something has, so after I publish this document, something has changed, and I want to change the content. For example, I want to make it the best road trip. So what I can do is, and I just want to show my readers as well that it was a worst trip before, but now it's the best trip ever. So what I can do is I can use the delete element and put my worst in it, and then I will write insert element and I write best here. So what I'm trying to show here now is that this was the worst trip ever, but it became the best trip ever because of the 2 nights I stayed in Jasper. So this is how we can show changes to our content in our HTML document. I'm just going to do toggle word wrap so we can see everything here on the screen. And similar uses of strike through element, which is represented by alphabet S. So so let's say we have a shop, and we have a computer, laptop computer, and we want to show it was that it used to be was $5.99, now only for $3.99. So there's a sale going on. So we can use the strike-through tag to kind of show that this price is not there anymore and we have a new price. So if you can see right here on the right side, was $5.99, now only for $3.99. So this is how we can show changes to our content using strike-through. So guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.